Today we will take you through a list of good healthy foods with no carbs or sugar. These days, many individuals are hoping to shed pounds and get in shape. Unhealthy foods are high in processed starches and refined sugars. These have been demonstrated to cause aggravation throughout the body. After a while, this can result in a wide range of diseases including diabetes, weight gain, corpulence, joint inflammation, eye issues, coronary episodes, strokes, and more. In this video, we'll give you a rundown of the 16 best quality food varieties with low carbs and sugars. Eating these in place of junk food will bring lots of nutrients to your body and allow it to heal naturally. Let's take a look at some of the healthy foods available. Number 1. Butter. Another low-carb food that is wealthy in regular fats is pure spread butter, which has not been mixed with vegetable oil and is one of the most outstanding wellsprings of vitamin A that safeguards your eyes, skin, and hair. The calcium in spread additionally reinforces bones and is entirely bioavailable. Number 2. Beef. A slice of nutritious red meat that is high in vitamin B12. Beef is excellent for the development of healthy muscles and provides energy. Like chicken and other meats, this contains no carbs or sugar. Number 3. Chicken. Chicken is a lean white meat that is rich in iron, protein, calcium, potassium, and B vitamins. This promotes the health of cardiovascular health and increases serotonin in the brain to ward off depression. Meat sources contain no carbohydrates or sugar. Number 4. Salmon. This, like no other fish, is a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help the body recover from within, especially when trying to burn fat. Eating fish works on the soundness of the nervous system and contains no carbs or sugar. Number 5. Pecan nuts. These foods have very low net carbohydrate content and a very high fiber content. These provide minerals that heal the thyroid gland and are an excellent source of omega-3. Number 6. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense superfoods on earth. This is a leafy green vegetable that assists with bringing down inflammation, giving energy and nutrients. It contains no carbohydrates, only healthy piles of fiber. Number 7. Eggs. Eggs contain all the structural blocks of life, however no carbs or sugars. They're plentiful in proteins, amino acids, nutrients, and minerals which assist the body's cells with healing and growth. Number 8. Cheese. Cheese is one of the best sources of fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, K, D, and K2. This helps calcium be absorbed into the bones, skin, teeth, and nails. It also contains healthy fatty acids and proteins which improve the health of the brain. Number 9. Green tea. Green tea has no carbohydrates or sugar and is one of the healthiest beverages on the planet. It contains a substance known as chlorophyll, which is rich in antioxidants. These heal the body internally at a cellular level, helping you lose weight and lower inflammation. Number 10. Coconut oil. This is a solid oil that provides fantastic source of normal fats. This contains no sugar or starches, yet it gives the body an elective fuel source. This assists you with achieving solid mental concentration and a generally sound body. While preparing tasty dinners, supplement the vegetable oils with additional extra virgin coconut oil to maximize your well-being. Number 11. Turmeric. Turmeric, one of nature's most powerful natural healers. This spice can be used in cooking to boost the health of your body rapidly. This can work wonders for lowering blood pressure, aiding weight loss, and curing depression and anxiety. Make certain to add a little dark pepper to assist your body with retaining the curcumin compound that contains the best concentration of plant-based supplements. This ought to be eaten crudely, as whenever they're warmed, they lose a portion of their supplements. Number 12. Xylitol. This is a trade for granulated sugar. Xylitol is a characteristic sugar produced from the wood of birch trees. This substance is sweet and is the very same as sugar, yet it isn't consumed by the body. This does not cause an insulin reaction and is therefore ideal while attempting to get in shape and shed pounds. Number 13. Blackberries. All natural products contain a limited quantity of sugar. In any case, berries contain the most minimal sum. Blackberries and strawberries contain colors that assist in mending the body and honing the mind. Number 14. Mint. Mint is one of the best and most delectable regular spices that anyone could hope to find. It contains a strong compound called menthol, which is anti-inflammatory and heals the body from the inside. It contains no sugar or carbohydrates and can be used in many dishes or drinks. Number 15. Cauliflower. This healthy vegetable is known for its anti-inflammatory effects due to its concentration of antioxidants. It contains two groups of antioxidants that have been scientifically shown to slow the growth of cancer cells. Number 16. Watermelon. Watermelon contains an extremely low amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars. It is high in fiber and minerals, which aid in digestion and colon health. Eating this fruit is an excellent alternative to junk foods such as cookies, bread, biscuits, soda pasta, or waffles. We suggest eating bunches of kale, watercress, broccoli, cauliflower, bok choy, spinach, beet tops, and arugula. While following a low-carb diet, it is important to note that many natural products contain a high measure of sugar parcel of fructose. This sugar can advance an insulin reaction, which eases weight reduction. When eating meat, try to find top-quality creatures that have been minced or, on the other hand, handled.